Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So today we are heading out to another new city, and our bus is supposed to pick us up from the Cham Museum, which is about 2 kilometers from here. We can take the bus and pay 20,000, but we have chosen to walk because we still have some more time.
And we can find a banh mi shop on the way so we can have some banh mi.
The weather is great today.
Yeah, if only we had this weather yesterday, we could have enjoyed this place so much more.
So our bus will take us to Hoi An. We tried to figure out the cheapest route. There is a public bus that goes from Danang to Hoi An, but unfortunately it's still closed. They say it's COVID rules. Anyway, that would have been like $1 for each of us at the most, but now it's come to around $6 per person, which is the cheapest we could find. I mean, if you pay another $10, I think you'll get a private taxi ride all the way to your hotel. And that's because Hoi An is only about 45 minutes, 1 hour. And anyway, the bus now will pick us up from a common station, but they will drop us very close to our hotel.
We're at the bus stop now. You think this is our bus?
What's the time?
11:20.
Nice to meet
We're on the bus and it's going to be a 1-hour ride.
Hey guys.
It's a warm, nice, sunny day. I see.
What crazy weather. So now we've just gotten off at the intersection and our hotel is somewhere behind. But look at all the food places and look at the hungry little gremlin staring at the snacks.
Food first.
May I have the key, please?
Wow.
Well.
We've got a fancy room. The mattress is so soft. 2 fancy chairs. We have a super cool wide mirror.
Hello.
We have a dressing table and a stool. We have a brick wall. Wonder why it's like that. And we have AC. And we have some toiletries as well. We have toothbrush, shampoo, soap. Yep, the bathroom looks pretty decent. Let's see the view. Ah, such a pretty view. So we purposely booked a fancy room for Hoi An. It cost us 800 rupees a night. The main purpose is why?
To sit and do work.
Exactly.
Shishira, your videos are overdue.
They allowed us to check into our room a little earlier, so we just dropped our bags and now we're out again trying to go grab some lunch. Navneet has found some vegetarian Greek restaurant around, so we're walking there now.
We came to this little restaurant called Greek Souvlaki. It's in the back roads of Hoi An's Old Town. And we just ordered vegetable souvlaki. We have no clue what it is. pita roll with vegetables and cheese. That's feta cheese, there's fries, there's cucumber, onion, lettuce, and tomatoes. And the hungry gremlin with her coffee.
So the banh was really tasty, so we ordered another one, and we've ordered one lemon juice to cool ourselves.
This one is very similar to what we had in Danang.
Yeah.
It's got some chili sauce because we asked for spicy. There's cucumber, some mint, some lettuce, and some other veggies. This is what a traditional Vietnamese house in Hoi An looks like. That's the dining table. Teacups. And this is the backyard. So there is one tile roofed room here, another one there, and another house in the back. And they have a little koi pond and a small garden. Okay, food money or bus money?
Food!
28 hours I will fly back to Barcelona.
Oh, you just.
Doing whatever you are doing.